the interest in outdoor travel experiences and RV travel specifically has grown steadily in the past decade, and it continues to grow as travelers seek a closer connection to nature. So, here to help with planning that epic RV adventure is travel expert Lindsay Myers, who is teaming up with RVshare and Visit Florida to share timely information about an outdoor getaway in the Sunshine State. Welcome, Lindsay. Nice to see you.
Hi, Noah. Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Yes, it is so nice to see you. So first off, Lindsay, why is Florida at the top of your list for an outdoor adventure this year in 2025?
Yes. Okay. I travel for a living. I'm all over the place, but I love Florida. Why? Because the weather's unbelievable and the endless beaches, right? That's what most people think of. But right now I'm going to tell you, there's so much more to Florida. I love the nature. I'm all about immersing myself in the outdoors as unique experiences. But the weather doesn't make it ideal for RV travelers, which RV traveling is so hot right now. RVshare is the largest online community for RV renters and owners, and they have found that renters spent 300,000 nights under the Florida skies. That's telling you right there that it is so big to have these RV adventures. It's actually one of the 3 most popular destinations in Florida for RV travel.
Now, where do travelers start when they are booking a Florida RV getaway?
Yeah, so the RV really gives you such you're mobile. You can have endless adventures, right? But if you haven't done it that much, where do I start? So I always tell people to go to RVshare. It's because it walks you through the entire planning process, makes it very easy for you. They also have a huge selection of vehicles to rent in Florida. Everything, no matter the size of your family, they have you, which I love. And they're doing something which I'm so excited about, so we can get really excited about travel this spring. They're doing Visit Florida's teaming up with RVshare to give you an epic adventure, that giveaway that we all need. The prizes, get ready for this. So $1,500 towards your RVshare rental. They're going to give you a reservation for 3-night stay at an RV site in Florida State Park. They're going to cover your flights as well as a Publix gift card. So you got everything you need for that vacation.
So nice. And who doesn't like to shop at Publix? Come on now, Lindsay.
I love
it's
Publix.
clean in the Publix. I like a Publix.
Me too.
It's nice.
Best sandwiches,
Don't
fried
go to
chicken. Am I right?
Yeah. Oh, good lordy. I love the fried chicken there. It's so good.
Okay.
Don't go to Wally's World, everyone. Go to the Publix. That's right, Lindsay. Anyway, do you have any recommendations now for activities? Because when you bring the kiddos, you just bring the entire family. You all like to have fun and do some activities while you're on vacation.
That's right. Yes, it's all of it for me. Experiences. Get hands-on, especially with the kids. Even grandma. Get everyone involved.
Yeah.
I love, adventure stuff. So Florida has it all. We're talking about you could go kayaking, horseback riding, ziplining, which is so fun, swimming with the manatees, which is top of my list. You also could just relax and recharge. Sometimes we all need that, especially after winter. Let's all connect with nature, really immerse ourselves. But there's something for everyone in the family. This is what I love Florida, because it is massive and there's state parks everywhere, and it's so much fun.
Yeah, Florida really has a lot to offer for everyone. Now, where in Florida can travelers actually find these types of experiences? Because they sound fun.
Everything I just named, you can find at the Florida State Parks. And so much more, of course. I was blown away to find out there's actually 175 state parks. I'm a huge water lover. I'm always pulled to the beach. They have 100 miles of the beaches, of course, but also rivers and streams. If you're into hiking or horseback riding, they have 800,000 acres to play on, and they have 50 different campgrounds to choose from. So if you win that giveaway, you have 50 options, which is amazing. There's something for everyone.
The Sunshine State really is the ultimate destination for vacationing for spring, summer, fall, you name it, Lindsay. By the way, tell us, where can we go to learn more information about all this great stuff that you've told us about this morning?
Yeah, so everything we talked about, all information, as well as to enter to win, which you must do right now. You get to go to visitflorida.com/RVshare. Good luck, everyone.
Do it
I
right
hope
now.
you win. I'm rooting for you.
Oh my goodness, do it right after this interview with Lindsay and I. That's right. By the way, Lindsay, what's one of your favorite parts about Florida as we're talking about, visiting Florida for vacationing?
Well, I'm all about, you will find me in the water. I'm a huge kayaker. I absolutely love that. But I want to go whether I'm kayaking or I'm hiking. But the reason I love RV travel is because you can go anywhere at any time. You're mobile. you're on the run. You can create
Mhm.
experiences every day if you like. You can wake up and have that cup of coffee and you're staring at the beautiful nature, immersed in it, relaxing and recharge. It's endless
So
adventures.
relaxing. Yeah, I mean, if you want to just meditate, just enjoy, just take some stress off from your busy schedule, well, this is the thing to do. Go RVing with your
No, we
family.
got to get out.
By the
We
way,
got to get
Lindsay,
you out there.
I know I got to do this. Yes, I got to get out my chair and off of the set and go RV. That's right, Lindsay. Anyway, Lindsay Myers, it's always so nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming on iHollywood TV. You take care. You have a great day and enjoy Florida.
Thank you. Good to see you, Noah.
Good to see you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.